Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is FARID HAKIMI bin KARIM. My metric number is B1323101117. Today, I would like to share about you a topic of our subject, air distribution system. It is the impact of air ducting system towards health, safety and legal awareness. The reason why I choose library UTM it is because the library is a multi-story academic building with a visible centralized air ducting system. Second, publicity, accessible ceilings and vents allow observation of the duct design and condition. And last, the building is critical for student health, comfort and performance. I would like to share more about this building. Come here. Next, I would like to share to all of you about the cycle of system ducting at this library. First, chill water cycle. Cold water is made by the chiller. A chiller pump push the cold water to the AHU. The water cools the inside AHU and after absorb the heat, the warm water goes back to the chiller to be cooled again. The purpose of this system is because to carry cool the air side and absorb heat from the building. Second, a cycle inside the room. Cool air from air handling unit is blown into the room conditioned space. The air absorbs heat from people and machines. The warm air returns to the AHU to be cooled again. The purpose of the air cycle is to cool down the room and maintain comfortable temperature. The third, refrigerant cycle. Inside the chiller, there is a refrigerant that removes heat from the water. The refrigerant is compressed by the compressor to make it hot. It goes to the condenser where the heat is released. Then it goes through an expansion valve to become and cool again. The purpose is to remove that heat from chilled water using refrigerant. And last, condenser water cycle. Water takes heat from the condenser and sends it to the cooling tower. The cooling tower cools down this hot water using air. The cool water goes back to the condenser to absorb more heat. This system is to release heat from the refrigerant to the outside environment.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Nawawishah bin KURNADI. My metric number is B1323100055. Okay, today I would like to share about the problems that we have in the ducting system or diffuser in UTM library. Right, the first problem is dust build up in the vent or diffuser. As you can see here. Okay, this problem may indicate the poor duct maintenance and it will also trigger allergies or asthma. Okay, the second one is low airflow zone. Certain corner feel warm, especially in study cubicles. Study cubicles, as you can see here, study cubicles, they will have around the books. So the fan right there is certainly warm than here in open space. As you can see here is open space. Okay, this will affect uneven temperature and for student discomfort.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh and good evening. Okay, my name is MUHAMAD bin SAIFUL BAHRI, B1323100659. Okay, good points of the ducting systems. First, quiet diffusers. In most areas, the system operates quickly and obstructively. Second, zoning. Different flows zones have separate controls, allowing energy saving during off-peak hour and accessible maintenance panels makes cleaning and inspection easier. And last, insulted ducts reduce energy loss and prevent heat gain from surrounding environment. Okay, thank you.
Hi, I am Ahmad bin ZAMRI, metric number B0922105666. Today I'm going to explain about impacts of proper air ducting system on health and safety. In terms of health impact, clean air circulation, remove indoor air pollutants and maintains high air quality. Next, supports focus and productivity. Comfortable temperature and fresh air helps students alert and also prevent illness. minimize transmission of airborne diseases such as COVID-19. In terms of safety impacts, the first one is fire prevention. Fire dampers in ducts can prevent fire spread across the floors. Next, humidity control. It can prevent mold that can cause long-term structural damage and respiratory issues. Last but not least, legal and awareness aspects. In OSHA compliance, indoor air must be safe for prolonged occupancy. It's under Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994. Next, UBBL compliance. Fire safety requirements include fire-rated ducts and dampers. It's under Uniform Building Bylaws. In terms of energy efficiency, following MS 1525 ensures ducts are properly insulated to avoid energy waste. Lastly, liability issues. Improper duct cleaning may lead to indoor air quality complaints and legal claims.
That's all from us. Thank you.